Have you ever wondered what powers the super intelligent technologies that are transforming our world? The answer lies in something incredibly small but extraordinarily potent: AI chips. These technological marvels are at the heart of artificial intelligence innovation. Today, we're going to delve into a new generation of AI chips, poised to be the next big thing in computing before the rest of the world catches on. The tech landscape is buzzing with anticipation as companies race to develop AI chips that are faster, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. Traditional processors simply can't keep up with the demands of modern AI applications. This makes AI chips, designed to optimize deep learning computations, a key focus area for tech giants and startups alike. At the forefront of this revolution is a company that few have on their radar yet: Tectonic Technologies, a trailblazer in semiconductor innovation, is set to unveil its latest creation, the Tecta Core. This AI chip promises to change the game, offering unparalleled processing speeds and energy efficiency. Imagine a device that takes artificial intelligence from merely impressive to truly extraordinary, capable of complex computations at lightning speed, all while maintaining a commitment to sustainability. What sets the Tecta Core apart is its unique architecture. Unlike traditional chips, the Tecta Core is built to mimic the neural networks found in nature. It boasts a reconfigurable design, meaning it can adapt its internal structure based on the task at hand. This adaptability not only enhances performance but also reduces power consumption, a critical factor as devices become increasingly mobile. Moreover, this innovation isn't just about raw power. The Tecta Core incorporates advanced security features designed to protect sensitive data, a crucial requirement in today's digital age. With AI being integrated into applications ranging from autonomous driving to personalized medicine, ensuring that AI systems are secure and reliable is paramount. Tectonic Technologies has taken steps to embed robust security protocols directly within the chip itself, setting new standards in both safety and efficiency. As we transition into this new era of computing, the potential applications for such cutting-edge AI chips are limitless. Imagine a world where your smartphone's virtual assistant can not only schedule your day, but also predict your needs before you even know them yourself. Or picture autonomous vehicles communicating in real time, learning from their environment to ensure your safety. These scenarios are more than just possibilities. With chips like the Tecta Core, they are quickly becoming reality. In conclusion, the unveiling of this new AI chip could herald significant change in the technological landscape. As Tectonic Technologies gears up to launch the Tecta Core, it invites us to imagine future realities previously constrained to the realm of science fiction. This innovation offers a glimpse into a world driven by smarter, more intuitive technology, where AI augments human capability beyond our wildest expectations. Stay tuned, because this is a moment you won't want to miss. Knowing about the next big thing before it goes mainstream gives you a front row seat to the unfolding of technological history.